Interest rates up, Bitcoin down, oil up, stock market down. All of these things. What happened in March 2026? Real estate. It's interesting. With all the news I just provided, it's very consistent with previous months where we continue to see active listings down, new listings down, sales units down, and this is year over year. However, one interesting point, all those things that occurred, prices, median prices year over year increased. They increased 8% in St. Louis County, 6% St. Charles County, 12% in St. Louis City. That's a big increase, and 10% in Jefferson County. So overall, if we were to look at active inventory, it's the lowest in the last 5 years, down 26% year over year, 22% down from 2021, the lowest in the last 5 years. The same with unit sales, the lowest they've been in the last 5 years. In all markets we cover, the lowest in the last 5 years. And again, unit sales, St. Louis County, down 10%, St. Charles County, down 10%, St. Louis City, down 7%, and Jefferson County, down 2%. The story here continues to be great homes selling, and actually selling at a massive premium right now as we continue to see median prices go up for those homes that are selling. But between the combination of limited inventory and lower unit sales correlated to the lower inventory, and just overall, there are some homes that are sitting on the market that are being rejected by the market. We're really expecting, as we get into April, a bump up, but we don't see any massive bump up in inventory right now. Probably number one, as interest rates have increased, we talk about this interest rate lock for sellers. It actually continues. Interest rates at the end of February were hovering around low sixes, even fives. Now they hit, during the month of March, they went to 6.5, 6.7, down to about 6.5 or so. But again, now we're starting to see where sellers are now staying put because of their 3% interest rate. So again, a lot of the same thing, way different news happening over the last month, but nothing major is changing in the market. Great homes, prepared for sale, priced right, selling. Most of them, many of them, multiple offers, over asking. Huge buyer demand still right now. So if you're a seller, in my opinion, as long as you prepare that home for sale, you will get that home sold, no problem at all in today's market. If you're a buyer, those fewer homes you're all competing over, you're going to either have to go in really strong on those or deviate and buy a home that's been sitting, that the market's rejected either due to condition or some other wild card, which ultimately translates to price, meaning that seller has not adjusted their price accordingly because of the wild card, because of that wild butt. Those are opportunities where we're seeing our buyers taking advantage. They're actually able to buy that under asking with contingencies. And so it's a tale of two different markets. Those that are selling first day, multiple offers over asking, and those homes that are just sitting. It depends on the strategy that you're looking for as a buyer or a seller. Both can be achieved, but two different objectives, and both require a different strategy. There is not a one-size-fits-all in this market. So if you have any questions about buying or selling under these conditions, please let us know. Going into April, don't see any massive changes. There will be an increase naturally in inventory, but nothing that's going to absorb all these buyers. Interest rates probably continue to hover in the sixes. We don't see them going anywhere down below that. As a matter of fact, the Fed is suggesting maybe they're going to be raising interest rates. So again, interesting time we have to pay close attention to, but it's a really strategic market right now.